Hey you guys, it's your girl Beauty with Mika. So I am here to give you guys an unboxing of my third Notiq planner cover. Yes, I said it's the third one. I will show you guys the last two planner covers, but Notiq was having a sale and this was probably one of the very first ones that I wanted to get, and it was always sold out. As you guys know, I use an ERIN CONDREN planner, or sometimes I'll go to a Happy Planner Classic planner, and specifically those are popular with Notiq on the covers. So I did get this. I basically got this card, and I love that they give you this little swirl gold one. I actually have the silver one right here. So here's the other one I got. So now I have gold and silver little paper clips, which I do love. So I'm gonna put mine to the side. You always get something from Notiq. I did get a thank you, and I'm gonna put this to the side, and it's always labeled. I love these. These remind me of those school note cards that you get. I'll put that to the side. Next thing, I did go ahead and look at this, but I basically rewrapped it. So you get always the best wrapping from Notiq. And then you get your cover. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. And this is what it looks like. So you go ahead and get your cloth cover. Always, I plan to actually put mine back in its cloth cover, and then you get the sticker. I actually just take my sticker off. It doesn't damage anything. And then you could pull it out. And it is snug in here. And the cover is more of a velvet like cover, kind of like a dust bag cover that you get, especially when you buy your luxury handbags. So I always fold mine like this, and then I store it when I'm done, when it's time for me to use it. So I got hey you guys, so I got the Mauve Pebble Matisse quilted ringless vegan leather agenda cover. This is a midi, so it fits your classic Happy planner, your ERIN CONDREN planner, a 7x9 coil, a 9 disc, and this is the cover only. The price that I paid for this was on sale. I don't want to tell you guys the price of this, but I will tell you guys, trust me, it was worth the money. If you shop Notiq, I definitely tell you guys, go ahead and get you a cover. This was $143.10 with taxes in total. I paid $155. This was on sale. I know you guys are like, what, girl? Yes, but it was on sale. So of course, because it was on sale, that was one of the reasons why I got it. Now you do get the cover. I do love the Pebble cover. You do get your little paper plastic little cover with the Notiq logo on side. I will say the stitching and the quality of Notiq covers are to die for. You do get your spacers right here, so you get 1, 2, 3, 4 little divider sections right here, and you could tell they're very thick. You also get one extra, so you get 2 slots right here, which I do like. I do like that they give you this foam to keep the shape of it when you're done, which I plan to do on my next one. I got a ringless one because I do not use ring planners. You also get a very good warranty, which tells you how to clean it. So obviously this is vegan leather. It's a vegan lining and it's a dust cover. So the way to keep this, they suggest that you use a plant-based alcohol-free wipe, and you just use it delicate around treatment and care, and this helps against care of transfer, any color transfer. So this is what it looks like, and this is the back of it and the sides. And you also get right here your pin loop. On the second slot you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 card slots, and then you also get your card slot right here along with 1, 2, 3. So you get your 3 deep covers inside right here, and they go very deep. I will tell you guys, they go super deep inside. You could fit, yeah, I could pretty much fit my hand all inside of this thing. I could probably fit both my hands in the big one. Then you have your small one. That is it. That's what I wanted to show you guys. If you guys have been following me, you know that this is not my very first one. Again, this is my third Notiq cover. So check out my planner setup video where I'll show you guys how I will be using this for the 2023 year. By the time you guys see this video, I wish you guys a happy new year. I hope you celebrated it your way, and let's start the new year off your way. with all your goals being accomplished this year. Talk to you soon. Bye. Hey guys, so I wanted to show you guys the Notiq covers that I have been using. These are more of their Saffiano prints. The first one is a happy, this is another ringless. This is in a more of a Saffiano leather, vegan leather. This one is straight up for a ERIN CONDREN A5. So if you have an A5 planner, this is the one I've been using all year long. I will tell you guys, I barely had to wipe this down. I will wipe it down and store it. Same setup as before. I get the ringless ones, but if you have a A5 planner, this will fit it. Also, it will fit a half letter, and I believe it'll fit a A6 or a B6 planner. Same stuff. You can tell I actually left these in here. Thank God I found those. But I had no issues. No wear and tear, nothing on this one. I'm just going to pretty much wipe it down, put it back in its cover, and store it because I would not be using an A5 planner for this year. The second one is my very first Notiq cover. I've gotten all my Notiq covers when they're on sale. Honestly, that's just the best time to get them, in my opinion. This one is more of their pink because I couldn't get the one I showed you guys. I got this one instead, and when I tell you guys, I just was like, okay, I'll settle. I do need to wipe it down because as you can see, I have a couple of ink stains that let you know I've been using it. I will say that because of the ring, I'm not sure if you can see this little hump, it dropped its shape from right there, like from my happy planner, my ERIN CONDREN coil. So I'm not sure what was going on, maybe how I had it just stored, but it did drop the shape right there. So I will be doing this to get its back its shape. So I'll go ahead and put this insert in that came with it because I know I threw the other one out. And that'll get it back, keep its shape while it's stored until I decide to use this again. And then you can see it's pretty much in there snug now. So that is it. That's what I wanted to show you guys. If you guys have any questions, if you guys want to know more about the Notiq planners, definitely leave me a comment down below. I highly recommend them. They are Black owned, and this is my third one, so no regrets. They're my first go-to when I definitely need a planner cover. I believe I'm really done. Do want to get a black one, but we gonna have to wait for another sale. Other than that, I'll go ahead and post all the links to all the planner covers down below along to the Notiq website if you're interested, and I will talk to you guys soon. Stay blessed. Bye.